What's up, everyone? I'm back and I'm on my way to Mississippi to go help out my cousin cut down some trees. Let's go. I wake up every morning to have breakfast with my breakfast buddy. New tree. What a choice. No tree no more. Just gone, just like that. Wow. Dang. You like the look, Kenzie? After this part of the video, we saw my boy Rusty in LA and we just decided, you know what? let's just go to Florida, see what happens. And so we did. Ready? Dang. Chick-fil-A.
Always helping.
Always helping.
Let me get these bumps. You got eczema?
I got what?
Got eczema?
In Florida, Destin. Yes, sir. Very nice. In Florida, Destin. Whoa, Chris! Look at the view. Wow, just enjoy it, you know? Just spotted Mr. Krabs. Always wanting for his money. More Mr. Krabs, you know? Money, money, money. Money, money, money. Is there more over there?
I see one. Oh, look at all those in that crack.
There's more Mr. Krabs. There's too many of them. Hello, Kylie.
Hi.
Yeah, we're out here in Florida, and we're gonna race for $5. Whoever wins $5, because I don't get that much money. But we're gonna go all the way over there. A race back. Who could win this $5 freaking dollars? $5. Insane. Insane. Okay. So my two sisters versus me and my cousin. A race to see who's the better kayak. Who is the better kayak?
More like, it's obvious to know who's the better because we won.
We won. You guys ready?
Yes. Ready.
3, 2, 1, go! Go, go, go! We're neck and neck! Neck and neck, $5! We got this! Come on, keep pushing! Keep pushing! Motivation! Ah! No! No! Okay. We're so close! No!
It's a tie. Yeah, because we went back there. No, we won. We reached the there. Well, we went back there.
Okay. All right, Eva. What are you gonna do with those $5? Yum, delicious. $5 deserved. Subway. Where the subs go their way, or my way, or the highway. Congratulations! Well deserved.
Oh, it's you again. Hi. Don't forget to subscribe. And give us a big thumbs up. Yay!
Yeah! Alright, Kenzie, what would you want to say to all my followers?
Okay. This was the most funniest thing, but don't laugh. It's the worst.
Okay, we won't laugh.